Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at another prototype method of an array, which is called .includes. Basically what does .includes do? It will whatever you will assign the value inside the .includes, it will search that value inside your array, right? And in case if it is found, it will return true, and if it is not, then it will return false. So let's just implement it. ARR.includes, and I want to search whether the David exists in our array or not. So I will just come over here and write David, right? Let me just, and result, as you can see that it is returning as true. But in case that if we pass any value that it does not have, our array does not has it, then it will return false. So basically .includes is a very useful method when you want to implement any search on primitive array, right? So that's all from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.